Page 15, Folk Dance. Again, from First Term at the Piano by Bartók. 4/4 time, it's got eighth notes all over the place. 1 and 2 and 3 and. So let's take this one hand at a time, because the rhythms, they start out the same in the hands, but they don't stay that way. You're starting here in the right hand, here, and 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So go through and play this whole thing right here. Make sure you can count out this rhythm okay. The left hand, do the same there. You're here, starting here. 1 and 2 and. It's the same rhythm the right hand had for now. But when you get to the second line, it's not the same all the time. Here, the second line, measure 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. As you're resting on 4. 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. It's got a dotted rhythm there. 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2. Then put the hands together and see what happens. Starting out with the same notes and same rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So hopefully it's not a problem, except when you get to measure 5 on, they're different. Hands are different. Different notes. 1 and 2 and 3. Now different rhythm. Look at measure 7 there, next to the last measure here. You can see in the left hand when you play that last note, that C, it comes with the A in the right hand. So it's those come together. So, and when you can get the hands working together, get rid of the hesitations, because the beat has to be steady. Don't care how fast you go. You can go real slow, but make the beat steady. Then we go back and we add the slurs and the staccatos. Nice light wrist staccato here. Four. Uh-oh, look out. You're doing different things in the hands. Right hand we got staccatos, boom boom, but the left hand is connected. At the same time. Do the best you can with it. It's important you be able to do this, so stick with it. And that's not staccato there. The left hand doesn't come up until you play the G in the right hand. Right there. So watch out on the slurs and stuff. Then we can add the dynamics. Well, the only one they give you is loud, and that's both hands. Play both hands the same here. Somewhere in the loud range. Get to know the piece well enough so you can get a little louder and softer. You want to vary. Don't play it exactly the same all the time. And moderato somewhere in the middle, but that's the overall flow of the piece. It's just, I don't know, it's like walk. When you're walking someplace, there's a 1, 2, 3, and something like that. It's my impression of it. You can play it differently. It's okay, whatever. Faster, slower, whatever. I don't know. I like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do dynamics. They don't give you any dynamics anyway to speak of. Well, let's just try it out. Make sure we have the right notes and rhythms. And if you need to, do it one hand at a time for a while until you get it. I'll give us 4 counts. 4 quarter note counts, and then we come in. 1, 2, ready and go, and 1 and 2, 2, 3, 4, 2 and 3, 4 and 3 and 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Rest.